What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to the daily newsletter, where we will be going over economic data for the week, day's technical analysis, create a game plan for tomorrow, and go over the trades that I took today. So let's jump right in now. This is the economic data for tomorrow, Friday, February 2nd. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. We got a big block of news that's going to be released at 7:30 Central. And what everybody has their eyes on is non-farm payroll. This is a major news release that happens on the first Friday of every month. It's never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you choose to trade during this time, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. Now, after hours, we had earnings from Apple, Amazon, and Meta, and all three of these companies beat expectations, which caused the market to make a big move after hours. Let's head over to the charts and let's look at that now. This line right here represents the start of the session. This line represents New York Open. This is pre-market low, and this is pre-market high. And these two are previous trading ranges that I pushed forward for today's price action. Now, you can see that price dipped into this trading range right here and broke this high right here, transacting in this trading range. You can see that the bears, after retesting this high, brought it down lower. The bulls brought it back up, and then the bears pushed it right back down. But they couldn't finish the rotation, so the bulls basically tapped into this trading range until the bears finally took price lower. This price action right here is the result of the news release at 9, the ISM manufacturing number. You can see that the bears pushed price outside of this trading range, and the bulls quickly bought it right back up. It rejected at the top of this range. The bulls bought it back up, took out this high right here, but failed to close over the top of this range, and the bears bought it all the way down, tapping back in to this previous trading range and at pre-market low. The bears were unable to break this trading range, so the bulls took back control, and from this point on, price surged all the way up. I believe we reached highs of 640. You can see that price pushed past all these previous trading ranges. But let's go back to the price action from this morning. In our stream today, I took this candle long. The reason why I took that long is because it was tapping into a bullish order block, and I was confident that the bulls was going to take control because of this push up. The bears tried to take it lower. It was unable to take out this low, and because of that, I was confident that the bulls was going to take this higher, and they did. And my target was at the top of this trading range. A retest of this high, and I was able to profit from this trade, bringing my account balance up 2K. Now, me and my trading partner, we was talking about the possible pullback from this area. In this area right here, price looked like it was going to at least try to make an attempt to retest this high. But due to the risk reward of, I believe this was 30 points to a possible this much drawdown, we decided to wait for a limit entry at 330. We got the 330 entry, but price fell all the way back down to around, I believe it was 314, and we scaled into this position right here, and we were able to ride this position all the way up to the highs. We got out around 366 because I felt that this area needed to be rebalanced. And because it wasn't rebalanced, I did not trust for this to go higher without that being rebalanced. And as soon as I called this out, the market began to rotate lower, retesting pre-market lows. I actually did scale into a position. I did try to shoot for a long position at 280, but I was too fast on this position because price pushed down 20 additional points. My stop was about to get hit. I was 1 point away from price hitting my stop, but the market was very merciful to me today, and I was able to stay in this position and ride this position all the way up to retest the bottom of this trading range. But I was kind of upset when I saw the market continue to rotate higher. We actually talked about the possibility of the market actually touching at least 430 during our live stream. At the time, it seemed impossible, and if it did touch 430, we expected the market to completely reject. And in hindsight, we got there. We did get an initial rejection at 414, and it dipped all the way back down into this previous trading range. The bulls were able to hold this line right here. You can see that it took out the liquidity at this low, and it ran itself higher for a retest of this shoulder. But the bulls was not giving this up because they bought off the 200 EMA and continue to push price higher. And watching price continuously push up was hard to see because I had reached maximum daily profit in my top step eval, and I was not going to trade my XFA during this high volatile price action. So sitting back, watching this price action move higher was hurtful, but I stayed disciplined. I did not touch my XFA, and my XFA is going to be there so I can trade it during normal price action. And this was the news pump. This was the news. What else can make a strong move up like this, except for Powell or big tech earnings like we got after the bell? All three companies beat expectations, and price pushed past all of these previous trading ranges. You can see price finding support at the bottom of this trading range. Initially, it found resistance at the bottom of this trading range, but was able to continue to trade through it. And you can just see price just respecting previous trading ranges, and now price is currently at the top of this range. I do expect for price to make a pullback, but if price continues higher, we do have a lot of room to move higher. Right now, based on this big move up, I do not have a game plan for tomorrow. I do expect a pullback to at least 550. At least here, at least a pullback. We don't know if the price is going to continue to trade down or if the bulls are going to find support at 550 and bring the market up to retest this high. In my opinion, I feel that the bulls will protect this level because of the good news that we got and the price action from earlier today, but tomorrow will tell. With that said, let's look at the trades that I took today. This is a great way to start a new month, being up 5K in an eval. These are the trades that I took today. At the end of the day, I just couldn't resist. I saw a position forming in CL, and I just took the trade. I did go over the maximum daily profit for Top Step, but look at the profits per trade. The reason why I'm pointing this out is because me and my trading partner has two different trading styles. He likes to scalp heavy size with small targets. I like to trade smaller positions to catch bigger moves. And today I was able to realize over $4,500 in profit only having 3 contract positions. It was very eye-opening because I want to begin to trade bigger position sizes. But in this instance, even though my trading partner was trading more contracts, I was able to lock in more profit with my smaller size and actually catching these bigger moves. And that actually inspired an idea for me that all I need is a 3 contract position. If I'm able to catch big moves, understand when these big moves happen, I will feel better knowing that I caught more of the move versus trying to scalp in and out, because one wrong move in the scalp, it can be your account. So I'm happy that I was able to show this to myself and prove that if I take my profits, if I plan my trades and take my profits along the way, these profits will add up. And if you're interested in starting a new Propfirm eval, there's a link in the description. And if you use that discount code, you will receive the best current offer that Apex is running. Currently, they have a 71% discount on all their evals with a $35 reset, just in case you need it. Well, that's all I have. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, subscribe to the channel. Join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trades on the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the community, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal, because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.